Hello bloggers, welcome to Blog Learners Point. Today we'll learn how to install WordPress on localhost. But first let's see steps for installing WordPress on localhost. First, download WordPress software. Second, download XAMPP software. Third, start XAMPP modules, that is Apache and MySQL. Fourth, create database on local admin. And finally, install WordPress on localhost. So let's start. To download WordPress, type download WordPress in Google search bar and press enter. Click on the first link of wordpress.org. On next screen, you'll see link for latest version of WordPress. Click on it. WordPress will now download in zip folder. While it is downloading, let's download XAMPP software. Type download XAMPP in the Google search bar and press enter. Click on the link from Apache Friends. On next screen, you will see various versions of XAMPP for download. Click on the first link and it will start download. Now go to your downloads folder. We will now install XAMPP and start its modules. To start the installation, double click on XAMPP setup file. You will see a warning for user account control. Click OK. Make sure all these boxes are checked and click on Next. This is where you can select the location where you want to install XAMPP. By default, it will choose C drive, but you can change it by clicking on the folder icon. Now select the language and click on Next. Here you can choose to learn more about Bitnami or uncheck it. Now XAMPP will start installing on your system. Once installation is complete, it will ask, do you want to start the control panel now? We need this to start the XAMPP modules, so check the box and click on Finish. Next, you will see the XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and MySQL by clicking on Start button. Now we need to transfer the WordPress software to XAMPP. So go to Downloads folder and move the WordPress software zip file to htdocs folder of XAMPP folder and extract it there. Now rename the WordPress folder to the name of your project or website. Now we will create a database on local admin. Go to the browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin/ and press enter. Now click on databases from the top menu. Here write name of the database, preferably name of the website or your project. Click on create. You can now close the tab. Now let's install WordPress on localhost. In the browser, type localhost/name of the folder created in XAMPP/. We have now entered the WordPress installation wizard. Select language and click on continue. On the next screen, click on Let's go. Now fill the details required. Database name. Here type the database name created on local admin. Username. The username should always be root, that is ROOT. Password. Leave blank as it is installed on localhost, so no password is required here. You can change the table prefix or leave it as it is. Click on Submit. Now you need to enter the details for account creation in WordPress. Site title will be name of the website. Username can be admin. You can create password of your choice and it can be changed later on. Mention your email ID. Please make sure that you do not check the search engine visibility option unless you are creating a private blog. These are your login details for WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Login. This is your dashboard from where you can make changes to your website. Now let's see how the website looks. Type localhost / name of your XAMPP WordPress folder /. This is the basic design of the website that will get installed on localhost. To know more about other methods of installing WordPress, you can visit our blog. Thanks for watching this video. To get more updates on WordPress, subscribe to our channel.